Kurumirira mateta mamwe maria makinyire metha ya mohoro ya Inooro TV, thukuru imwe cia sekondari no ithiete na mbere na kurika mutondo-ini wa mathire, kurumirira thirikari kuhingira ritho mendekithia mao ma kurekererio gwa kigina kiiganu gia gutereba mibango ya githomo. Makiaria na andiki ya mohoro arugamiriri a kiama kia arutani gia KUPPET morotete Mĩnĩstri ya Gĩthomo kuria morite urugamiriri wa Mĩnĩstri no gwikirira kigina giki niguo gutwarithia na mbere mihango ya githomo o wega uria kwahotekeka.
When the funds come, the principals don't know how to share it, because some of the students, you have 600, they are giving you for 350. How do you, calculate the percentage for every learner when you have left out a half of the population? So these things have been happening, and we are asking the ministry to at least be fair to the schools, because principals now, majority are sick because of deaths.
Maya mokete kiumia kimwe kuma mwandiki mukaru wa Mĩnĩstri no Belio Kipsang kuga ati Mĩnĩstri ya Gĩthomo ina mwihoko wa ati makiria ma bilioni 14.3 iria ciarekereirio ni kuhota kurugamirira mathukuru muira kigina kingi kirekereirio.
In our secondary schools will be able to get their resources. So yesterday we released 14.3 billion shillings for our secondary schools as tranche 1. And we are working with our colleagues in the National Treasury to ensure that all the resources that we had to release to our secondary schools are released. But I can affirm that our schools are now able to adequately run.
Ona kuria uu kiama giki gia KUPPET ni kiongereire kayo kao na gukirira thirikari ni gucerithirio gwa kigina gia kurumbuya ugima mwega wao wa mwiri, makiuga ni gicerithirio na mieri 6 kuma mweri wa kenda mwaka muhituku, na kiria maugite ni makiria ma bilioni 11, na makuga ugima mwega wao wa mwiri wi hatikaini amu kuri na thibitari heanite mukana wa kwaga kurigita arutani.
Tenwek Hospital, you know, Tenwek Hospital serves the Kisii, the South Rift, and Nyanza. So it is a very big hospital, and people they have confidence in Tenwek. So many other hospitals are saying, we are going also to withdraw. They have not written, but they are saying, we are going to withdraw. So if the hospitals are threatening, we have a cause for worry.
Inooro TV, Jetawa Waithira, Hoaduati.